Welcome to a new episode of Cooking Around. This dose is for about 20 bars. To ensure a crunchy and not mushy result, first of all we must toast 150 grams of oatmeal for about 10 minutes over medium to low heat. $70 grams of walnuts. Toasting the walnuts and seeds will ensure a better flavor since they will not be cooking in the oven. 40 grams of your favorite mix of seeds.
You know how much I sacrifice?
After a few minutes, set aside. This will be the crunchy part of the one of two types of bars. The other type will be with coconut and almonds, 40 grams of each. Keep the heat low throughout the process and flip often to toast them evenly. Set aside and finally toast 40 grams of pumpkin seeds that will go into the coconut and almond bars. Put the coconut and almonds in a blender and blend them to the desired size. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and click on the bell to not miss new recipes every week. $130 grams of pitted dates. Blend until you reach a homogeneous consistency. Divide the oats into portions. In one, put the date paste minus about 20 grams that will serve for the other mixture with 100 grams of dried figs. $60 grams of coconut oil, 30 grams of each. In the bowl with the dates, put the pumpkin seeds, coconut and almonds with 30 grams of lemon honey. Mix by hand to even out the mixture. Then place in a small pan with the parchment paper. Compact with your hands is one way to do it. For the other method, mix the walnut with the mix of seeds and fig paste. This time with 30 grams of orange honey. Be free to experiment and change the dose for a more or less sweet result. Shape into the same small pan and adjust by hand. Then press with the pen for a perfect result.
One frozen wasteland later.
After putting in the freezer for about 20 minutes, cut to desired thickness and then keep it in the fridge. They will be good for at least a week. Watch one of these recipes and I'll see you there. Stay hungry.